Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you hear music in the background and a baby cooing, that's the baby monitor. I have Adelaide in her crib watching her mobile. But I wanted to update you guys on this hair real quick. So this hair is from Asteria Hair on Aliexpress. It's their 613 hair. I have in a frontal and one bundle, and I got everything in 10 inches. I will leave the initial unboxing down below in the description box if you want to check it out. I also have the price in that video, so you can check that out too. I don't have my wig glued down or anything right now, so if you can see the ear tabs popping up, that's why. Like I said, I wanted to do this video super quick. All right, so let me talk to you about this hair. I got it all in 10 inches. I have had it cut and styled. If you live in the Tri-City area here in Michigan, I definitely suggest going to see Hannah Smith at the Willows Day Salon and Spa. She hooked my hair up. She also does naturally curly hair. She bleached my natural hair, which I have to go back and get it touched up because it's grown out. But she's cut and styled my wig for me, so just in case you're in the Tri-City area and you just made a wig and you want it professionally done, she can hook you up. Anyway, so back to this hair. I love this hair. I've had a few blonde units from a bunch of different hair companies, but this is the first time where I've had 613 hair from the roots to the tip. So I did dye this hair myself. On the roots I have Wella Toner T35, which is beige blonde, and on the body of the hair I have Wella Toner T15, which is pale beige blonde, and I just thought this fit my skin tone really nicely. I love it. So the hairline came somewhat pre-plucked. There was a lot of breakage, but that kind of helped as far as me making baby hair and making it look more natural. The lace was light brown / transparent. Honestly, I don't remember. Once again, look down on my initial video to know exactly what color the lace is, but all I know is it melts beautifully with my skin. Usually I have a hard time finding lace that looks great on my skin tone because usually it's medium brown and I am very light. But let me show you exactly what it looks like. Like I said, you can see my lace because I don't have it glued down, but like this is really natural looking. One of my better blonde wigs that I've done. I friggin' love it. As far as the hair itself, when I first got it, I co-washed it. I don't shampoo my bundles anymore, especially not blonde hair, because sometimes the companies will put a film on it, and when you shampoo it, it kind of like dries the hair out. So I did only co-wash his hair. And this is a tip. Well, this is what I do. This is not like a professional tip or whatever, but say you have dyed hair or you have bought blonde hair, which is processed hair from a hair company, and you want to keep it really soft and silky. I pop mine in the microwave when I wash it. I can't do that with this wig now because I have combs installed in it, but if you have a unit that doesn't have combs and just an elastic band, and say, or even before you make a unit, say you fried the hair or the hair is just not as soft as you want it to be, put some conditioner on it or a deep conditioning mask, pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes in a plastic bag. I know it sounds dangerous, but it actually works. So between 1 to 3 minutes. You don't want the hair to get super hot because you want to be able to handle the bag, but in my microwave it's usually like maybe 2 minutes, and then you wrap it in a towel while it's still in the bag and let it sit overnight. Rinse it with cold water in the morning and your hair will be like silky smooth. I've saved a lot of units that I've kind of fried the hair on by doing that method. So that's just something I do. I did not have to do that for this unit because the blonde hair was super soft. I have since co-washed it and it's still super soft, so that's why I went ahead and made my unit and put the combs in it, because I don't have to be bothered. I don't have to fix nothing because this hair is super nice. Like I said, I got it professionally styled. I love how this looks. If you guys seen a past video since I've been back, I was wearing a brown synthetic wig, which was my, ooh, I have to sneeze. Which was my mom wig. I consider this my chic mom wig, so I'm probably going to be getting rid of that synthetic wig because this hair is more my style. It's, you know, it's easy, manageable. I just, you know, once I glue the hair down, it'll stay for days. So all I have to do is just, you know, fluff it out and go. I love being a blonde, so I'm probably going to wear this into the winter. So as far as shedding, I do not seal my wefts, so I do get some shedding, but it's not it's like a strand here or there. I don't get like a brush full of hair when I brush this hair. And as far as breakage, it's not really breaking anymore. Like I said, I did co-wash this, so maybe, see, I'm not getting anything out of it right now. Maybe I'll have a little bit of breakage, but honestly, you can't really tell. I'm not sure. Like I said, I've only been having this unit for a month, and I haven't noticed anything crazy going on. So like I said, blonde hair is processed, so you do have to kind of maintain it as far as, you know, conditioning and moisturizing it go, but I haven't experienced any breakage with this unit thus far. I can't think of anything really else to say about it. I'm in love with this hair. Oh, I did, like I said, I only used one bundle, but of course it was 10 inches, but like, this is very nice for being only one bundle of hair. And I didn't even use the whole bundle. I had like a track about this big that I could still put in here, but like I said, I wanted it to be really natural. But a frontal and one bundle, guys, like, that's pretty awesome. And I'll turn around so you can see the back. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. I'll leave all the links to the hair down below. I got this in a bundle deal, which was 3 bundles and 1 frontal, but they do sell them separately too. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!